Are you still clicking through endless menus and folders just to open a simple program on Windows? There's a much faster way that power users swear by. If you've ever used a Mac, you're probably familiar with Spotlight Search, that incredibly useful feature where you just press a key combination and instantly search for anything on your computer. Windows does have its own search functionality, but let's be honest, it's not exactly known for being fast or reliable. That's where Flow Launcher comes in. It's a free, open-source application launcher that transforms how you interact with your Windows computer, making everything accessible within seconds through a simple search interface. Flow Launcher is essentially a powerful search bar that sits quietly in your system tray until you need it. Press Alt and Space, and boom, you've got instant access to your entire computer. But what makes Flow Launcher special isn't just that it can find your applications faster than Windows Search. It's the depth and customization that really sets it apart. Let's start with the basics. Once installed, you can launch any program by simply typing its name. Want to open Photoshop? Just type photo and it'll appear. Need to access your browser? Type Chrome or Firefox and you're there instantly. But here's where it gets interesting: Flow Launcher learns from your behavior. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes at predicting what you're looking for. If you frequently open Visual Studio Code, you might only need to type V and it'll be the first suggestion. The real power comes from its plugin system and advanced features. Flow Launcher can search through your files, not just applications. Looking for that presentation you worked on last week? Type part of the file name and it'll find it faster than Windows File Explorer ever could. But it doesn't stop there. You can perform web searches directly from the launcher. Type Google followed by your search term, and it'll open your browser with the results. The same works for YouTube, Wikipedia, Amazon, or virtually any website you can think of. One of my favorite features is the calculator functionality. Need to do a quick calculation? Just type the math expression directly into Flow Launcher and it'll show you the result instantly. No need to open a separate calculator app. It handles basic arithmetic, percentages, and even some more complex mathematical functions. The customization options are where Flow Launcher really shines compared to other launchers. You can create custom keywords and shortcuts for virtually anything. For example, you could set up a keyword like email that automatically opens your email client and navigates to your inbox. Or create a shortcut that opens multiple applications at once, perfect for starting your workday routine. The plugin ecosystem is incredibly robust. There are plugins for controlling your music playback, managing your clipboard history, converting units, translating text, checking the weather, and even controlling smart home devices. Want to quickly convert $50 to euros? There's a plugin for that. Need to generate a random password? Plugin for that too. The community has created hundreds of plugins that extend Flow Launcher's functionality far beyond simple app launching. Color themes and appearance customization mean you can make Flow Launcher match your desktop aesthetic perfectly. Whether you prefer a minimalist dark theme or something more colorful and vibrant, there are options to suit every taste. You can adjust the transparency, change fonts, modify the search box size, and even customize the animation effects. For developers and power users, Flow Launcher supports advanced features like running command line tools, executing PowerShell scripts, and even performing Git operations. You can navigate to specific folders instantly, open command prompts in particular directories, and automate repetitive tasks through custom commands. The performance difference compared to Windows built-in search is night and day. Where Windows search might take several seconds to find what you're looking for, Flow Launcher typically returns results as you type, often showing what you need before you finish typing the full name. This responsiveness comes from its intelligent indexing system that runs efficiently in the background without hogging system resources. Installation is straightforward: you download it from GitHub, run the installer, and within minutes you're ready to go. The learning curve is gentle because it works intuitively. You don't need to memorize complex commands or shortcuts. Just start typing what you're looking for, and Flow Launcher will help you find it. Flow Launcher transforms your Windows experience from a point-and-click interface to a command-driven one, dramatically improving your productivity and reducing the time spent hunting through menus and folders. Once you get used to this workflow, going back to the traditional Windows way of doing things feels incredibly slow and cumbersome. It's one of those tools that fundamentally changes how you interact with your computer, making everything faster and more efficient. If you're ready to supercharge your Windows workflow and save countless hours of clicking around, give Flow Launcher a try. Make sure to subscribe for more productivity tips and Windows customization guides that'll help you get the most out of your computer.